Hello, Doctor. Today, we are going to talk about our project presentation. Our project title is that Identity Performance in Social Interactions, a mini ethnographic study in Second Life. And our group members are Zhang Zhewei and Wang Meng. Let's talk about introduction, research background, and Second Life. With the rapid development of digital technology, virtual platforms have profoundly impacted many fields, such as education, entertainment, and socialization. For example, virtual social platforms such as Zoom Online Classroom, Fortnite Virtual Concerts, and Second Life have brought convenience to people's lives. Therefore, our research focuses on the uniqueness of identity construction in virtual worlds, and in particularly, how virtual identities in Second Life challenging the issue of authenticity in traditional socialization. And Second Life is an open, multi-user virtual world that allows users to create highly personalized avatars and participate in social activities such as chat and virtual communities. It provides a free and personalized social experience and is an ideal platform for exploring virtual identities. For in-depth research, we used an ethnographic approach to experience user behavior through registered accounts and immersive engagement. This approach allows us to analyze users' mental activities in the virtual world and their connection to the real world, providing a unique perspective for identity research. And now let's talk about research question. How do users' identities in Second Life reflect real-world cultural, gender, social interaction, and social identities? The question we select. And our research examines how users in Second Life construct their identities in the virtual world compared to the real world. By analyzing cultural, gender, and social identity differences, we explore why users seek identity in the virtual space. Okay, let's talk about literature review. About this article, we select three parts. The first part is virtual platform. The virtual platform, like Second Life, enable users to create distinct identities and interact in ways that foster belonging, overcoming real-world constraints on self-presentation. And the second part is that Goffman's performance theory. The Goffman's performance theory concepts of front stage and backstage identity performance are applicable to Second Life, where users' presence idolized selves will also maintain a more authentic personal experience. And the last theory is that metaverse. Second Life, as part of the metaverse, allows users to interconnect their digital identities across various platforms, creating new opportunities for self-expression in a decentralized, personalized virtual environment.
Next, I will talk about the methodology. We adopted an ethnographic approach to explore identity performance in Second Life, a research method that helps us understand how users behave and interact in virtual environments. We participate in activities on Second Life by fully engaging with the platform, creating avatars, and interacting with other users to observe identity dynamic. We observed avatars in public and private spaces, considering their diversification of different roles such as cultures, occupation, and social groups. We also conducted interviews with users to learn more about their experience. We ensure that the research rules are followed and the users know what is happening. Their information will be kept confidential and they can review their information as needed. This helped us understand more about how people behave in online spaces. Finally, I will talk about the findings and the implications. Our research found some important things about how people act in Second Life. Firstly, users can switch between different roles and behaviors. They can do this without the restriction they would have in the real world. Goffman's idea about the differences between how people behave in public and in private are clear, with users presenting a polished image in public and more authentic side in private interactions. Secondly, users can also express pride in their culture through their avatars. This makes it easier to build global connections and understand each other. Second Life also encourages people to try out different roles, such as a leader or team member, which helps them grow and adapt. These findings show how important virtual spaces are for studying digital identities and how they can be applied to education, team building, and career development, especially in digital wars.